What you can also easily do is add in effects inside of your HitFilm projects. So to do that, over here you can see that I have a video clip over here on my timeline. So in order to add in an effect to it, I'm going to go under the effects tab right here. Once I go around over here, you can see that there's many different effects that I can choose from right here. For example, I can go around over here onto, let's say, for example, distort right here, and let's just go around and add in balls. So let me just go around over here and then double click on this. So once I do that, you can see that I get the controls for the effects right here. If you don't get the controls, once you double click on it, you can go around onto the control tab right here. And over here, you get the balls control. So depending on the effect right here, you get different controls. So you can see that this is what you have, and you can pull this out right here, and you can go around, pull this out as well. And this is what you have. There's this balls right here that you can go around and change the effect of. There's the radius that you can change off right here, just like this. And there's warp that you can work with, and so forth right here. There's like transform and so forth, which are other effects. Now let me just go around and add in more effects right here. So you can disable the effect or enable the effect just like this as well. Let me just go around onto effect, and let's say I want to go around with generate, and let's just go around onto let's say for example something like a grid right here. So the ones that says pro are the ones that you need the premium version of HitFilm of. The ones without are the free ones to use. So let me just go around and double click on the grid, and then you get the grid option right here, as you can see. But this is an effect that does not show the video. So let's just go around and try something else right here. So let's see, like there are something like stylized right here. So you can see that fine edges is an option. And if I were to go around and double click, then this is the effect that has been applied right here. So fine edges is here. So now you can go around and invert this as well. And this is what you get. So you can go around and apply multiple effects, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can also go around and select out the effect and hit the delete key right here to remove out the effects that you have applied. So you need to go around under effect right here, and let's just go around onto posterize right here, just like this. And then what happens is that it'll apply it. So let's select the clip and double click. And now you can go around and posterize it right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can go around and make it smooth right here, choose the level, and this is what you have. And if you were to go around and press the play button, let me just go around and then smooth this out a bit right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and see, you can see that this is what you have. So it's not previewing, but once you go around and then render it, it won't have the same effect. So you can go around, change around the saturation, as you can see, you can change around the black and so forth. So that is how you can simply go around and then get the effects. You can also go around and set, let's say for example, for certain effects right here, like I selected out bright, which brings out brightness and contrast. So I can go around and double click right here, just like this, and brightness and contrast is here. So now you can go around and change the content around, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can go around and add in effects inside of HitFilm as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.